Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here in partnership with skinstore.com to bring you another product review and to talk with you about a huge Black Friday sale that they have going on right now. So if you're interested in hearing about the Sonic, whoa, I got some glare on that, Sonic Trim Duo, which is a facial hair trimmer and eyebrow trimmer, and you want me to tell you all about it, then stick around for the rest of this video. Let's talk about it and I'll tell you about this great deal they have going on. Okay, before we get started, I am just going to tell my wig sisters that I have on Raquel Welch Straight Up with a Twist in the color Shaded Biscuit. This wig has been modified. It has been trimmed. I don't know how much it's been trimmed because I did get it from a wig sister, but loving this color. And so if you're curious about Straight Up with a Twist, I do have a review of this style in the color Fiery Copper, and I will be doing a color spotlight on this color at some point because I have not reviewed this color yet, I don't believe. So look for those videos to come. I will link the review for Straight Up with a Twist though, in case you missed it. This is not a good example of that one because it has been modified. All right, everyone, so you may be new to my channel and you are wondering what I'm talking about. So I do wear wigs and I do tons of wig videos. I suffer from hair loss and I'm just so connected to my wig sister community, and I do tips, tutorials, and wig reviews. So if you are curious about wigs, or you know someone who's suffering from hair loss and can use some support in the area of wigs and alternative hair, please check out my channel because I have so much information on it. But that's what I was talking about in the beginning. But this is not about that. This video is about it's called the Michael Todd Sonic Trim Duo. It is a facial hair trimmer, and I'm really happy to be partnering with skinstore.com again. We partnered in the past and they reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in showing some products for their Black Friday sale, which they have going on right now. And I love to bring information to all of my wig sisters and other people about great products, and especially when there's deals, because as we all know, finances are tricky right now, and so saving money where you can is super helpful. And they allowed me to pick a few products that I thought people would really be interested in. And so when I do that, I always think about two things. Number one, is it a kind of a product that I think will add value to someone's life? And number two, do I think it's affordable for a good majority of people? And so as I was looking at that, I found this facial hair trimmer. And I thought, oh my gosh, I definitely want to show this to everybody because I'm a huge fan of facial hair trimmers, and I hadn't tried this one yet. I've used some cheaper versions, and this one I really like because it's dual-sided. So you've got a bigger side, a wider side that you can use to trim your facial hair, and then it has a smaller side that you can use around your eyebrows. So let me first talk with you about why would you trim your facial hair? So, you know, some of us have more facial hair than other people. Some of us have, you know, just that baby fine peach fuzz. And for the most part, if you just have a little bit of peach fuzz on your face, it may not be something you notice most of the time. But in my own experience, I don't have a lot of facial hair, but I definitely have that little bit of peach fuzz. What I'll notice, especially as I'm getting older, is makeup will sometimes not go on as smooth looking with that peach fuzz. I'm talking about some peach fuzz that you can get on the sides here, obviously kind of the mustache area, and then peach fuzz that you can get right underneath your lip line. And in the summer, I'll notice that even more with bronzers and with different kinds of like shimmer and highlighting powders. But as I've been looking into you know, is it advisable to get rid of that peach fuzz? Some of the information I found is really interesting, and they talk about how doing kind of trimming, kind of shaving, or even using a little razor made for that can help not only make your makeup look better, but it can also help your skin to absorb moisturizing creams and toners and pomades and those kinds of things as well, even better. And I don't know about you guys, so I just turned 50, and so I'm of a certain age, and I remember the days when we were told that if you shave like your mustache area or your legs or any of those things, that your hair will grow back thicker. And over the years, I've discovered that that's got to be a wives' tale, because I have not experienced that personally at all. And as I did research, I see that other people agree with that. So I've actually been getting rid of my facial hair for a long time, and I started out in my 20s actually shaving my kind of mustache area. So I never had thick, dark hair, but I had visible hair that I didn't like. And so I would start with just shaving that area with just my razor that I used for shaving other things. And then about 5 years ago, I discovered something like this that you could use instead of a razor, and I was sold. I love it so much, and I think they work so well. So let me demonstrate for you how you use this and why I like this one better than the one that I had been using for a long time. So first of all, all you have to do is this is chargeable. So it comes with a USB cord. I actually stuck a little plug on the end. It doesn't come with that type of a plug. You heard that, right? So it comes with one of these USB cords, and so you just plug it in. If you can get yourself one of these charging ends, then you can plug it into a wall outlet, or what I have done is, I can't take it off because my ring light's in it, but I've purchased one of those adapters that you can plug into your wall, and then it has little holes for USB cords on it. You could get one of those, and then you can charge it in your bathroom. Otherwise, you can use it and charge it with a laptop or with a computer or anything that you can plug a USB cable into. So that is kind of the first thing that I really like about this, is it's rechargeable. You don't have to deal with batteries. The one I had before, it was not only was it battery operated, but it didn't take regular batteries. It didn't take like AAA or AA or any of that. It used a different type of battery that most people don't normally have on hand. So I was forced to purchase special batteries for it, which was kind of a pain. The second thing I like about this one is it is dual-sided. So with the other one, if you wanted to do your eyebrows, you would have to purchase a different version for that. So you ended up having to have two, which was kind of a pain, and I didn't appreciate that. So those are two major things that I love about this versus some of the cheaper versions that I've seen out there. It's also super sturdy. I mean, this feels like such good quality. It has a good weight to it, and just feels really sturdy, and that also I really appreciate. So let me demonstrate for you. So first of all, you just turn it on, and then when you're looking to, you can use this anywhere on your face. I've had no issues using this. You can't cut yourself. It doesn't irritate my skin in any way like razors can, or hair remover products like Nair, or I think Sally Hansen. For years I used a product that I think Sally Hansen made, besides my razor, where I would put it on here to get rid of my hair, and it was so smelly. It just smelled super bad, and it did sort of irritate my skin sometimes. I have not experienced that at all with this. So you turn it on, and you can see there's a little LED light here. If you can, I don't know, my glare might be making it. So it can light up the areas that you're working. I want you to hear it. It's not super loud at all. And then all you do is you just kind of go in light circles all around the area that you want to get rid of the peach fuzz or the facial hair. So the places I do it, like right here, and I don't know if you can hear that. When I go over sections that have hair, I need to turn it off so I can keep talking. When I go over sections that I actually am getting some hair, I can hear the tone of the blade changing a little bit. So I know that it's doing something. And so then I just do that. So I do here, I do it underneath, down here. And then I started kind of just doing all of my face. Once I learned how valuable it is to really kind of get rid of all that peach fuzz, it helps you absorb your products a little bit better, it helps makeup look smoother, I just started doing pretty much my whole face. And I'll tell you guys, it has made a huge difference. I think my makeup sits on my skin better. I think my moisturizer definitely seems to be helping. So I think there's some truth to the fact that doing this is really helpful. Another area that I have really like doing is all around here, because I get a lot of kind of baby peach fuzz all around here. And in certain light, like in certain sunlight, or if light's hitting me a certain way, I can kind of see that. And I don't know if it's a product of being older as well. I believe, you know, as you start to get to a certain age, with hormone changes, all of that stuff changes. So you might be getting older yourself and finding, why does it seem like I have more visible facial hair? It's that estrogen. It's a problem. It's a good thing too, but it can cause issues. But then you just go all around, like here, wherever you think you could use some cleanup. And that's really all there is to it. It's not hard. It's not painful. I think my camera is not wanting to focus very well. And so then when you're done, you just twist off this top. And mine's a little, because it's pretty new, it's a little stiff, and I have arthritis in my hands. And so sometimes I have trouble with that. So let's see. I hope I can get this off for you so you can see. I may have to pause and ask my husband to help me. So maybe that's a tip for you if you have some mobility issues and some arthritis issues. When you first get it, there we go. I just had to twist it and wiggle it. When you first get it, this is going to be a little harder to get off and a little stiff. It will loosen up with time. From everything that I've read, it will loosen up with time. And a tip, you probably already know this if you have grip issues, but just use like rubber gloves, either the disposable kind or the kind used to do wash dishes. Use those. It'll give you a lot more grip. I use them all the time for lids and things, and they work great. So I would just go grab my rubber gloves if I didn't have my husband. But you just take that off, and then you just clean out any of the peach fuzz. Now, I didn't do enough, and I've recently done my face, so I can't show you a bunch of peach fuzz coming out of here. I promise you, it gets it. And it's so satisfying when you take this off and you see that little peach fuzz, you just know that it did something. So it also came with a little brush, and you can use this little brush to kind of clean out that little blade area. And that's it. I mean, that's just all you have to do to clean it. So let me show you the other side. Let me get this back on here, if I can. There we go. So the other side is just a skinnier. So when you hit it the other, this one's a little louder. And so you use the thinner side. What I do with it is I go like in between my eyebrows, so I get tons of peach fuzz right there. And that's actually the worst place when it comes to my powders and my bronzer powder and things like that, sort of sitting on that peach fuzz. It's a real problem sometimes. So I really like to get that area. You can also get like right below. So if you've got a little bit of stray hairs here, or you've got a lot of extra peach fuzz above your eyebrow, I use it for those areas as well. I'd say you just want to be really careful. You know, go slow. You don't want to get your whole eyebrow or anything like that, but it's a great way to clean up those little areas. And sometimes those very fine, I think they're called vellus hairs. They're not actually your eyebrow hair. They're those super fine, almost translucent hairs, can be really difficult to pluck because they're so fine. And then if you've got any issues with your fingers, any dexterity issues, mobility issues, anything like that, I think, you know, using a tweezers to be that precise is so difficult. So something like this would help a ton. So kind of in summary, this, I think if you deal with facial hair and it bothers you, or you didn't realize what benefit you could gain from keeping that sort of cleaned up when using products, then I would ask you to look into this product. I think it is well worth it. I personally have enjoyed it very, very much. The only thing I can't speak to is its longevity. I can't necessarily speak to, I haven't really looked into getting replacement blades for it. That is something that I have found with my cheaper ones that you really don't need to do. I mean, I could probably use this thing for a year before I would even have to worry about that, because I don't use it that much and I don't have a lot of facial hair. So, those are a couple of questions I might have. If I can find any answers for you about those, I'll put them in the description. I can also come back later with a follow-up video just telling you how it's going and how much I like it. So let me know if you guys have questions. It's been really a pleasure to be able to try a new product. I will put all of the details in the description box below. So just expand that description box and you'll find a link to the product as well as what the discount is. I'm not remembering what the discount currently is for the Black Friday sale. And so I'll make sure all of that's below so you know if it's worth it for you to even go check it out. That's it. That's all I came here to talk with you guys. Again, any questions, please put them in the comments. If you've tried this product or products like it, leave that information down there too. I know a lot of people read the comments to see what else people have to say about these things. Again, thank you to skinstore.com for sending this to me so I would have a chance to share it with all of you. They are really great kind of skincare, makeup, and then they carry other things as well like this. And so I'm going to be bringing you a couple of other products this week that are part of this Black Friday sale, because if you're on the lookout for a gift, this could be an awesome gift. You have a female in your life who would love something like this. Might be a good gift. And I think I have a couple of other good ones to share with you as well. So stick around for those other videos to come. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. I appreciate it so much. I'll talk to you soon.